Hi Denise, it's Friday, April 26th, and I'm going to show you the haul I got today. I have been everywhere in the last 2 hours, including the doctor. I've been to Lowe's, Ross, the dollar store, and Goodwill. So I did not make it to my Hobby Lobby store because I figured that would be too dangerous on the pocketbook. I need to talk fast and show you lots of stuff, so here we go, and I hope I don't make you dizzy. Alrighty, some of the stuff I'm going to show you in a video later today, so I'm going to skip over it. So I got some stuff for organization. This is from Goodwill, 99 cents. It's going to go on my desk and organize some books. These are actually a project. Lily and I did these last year or the year before when we lived in El Paso. It was 2 years ago in El Paso for Christmas. But they were 99 cents at Goodwill, so I picked up some more. I think they're super cute. You can use them as magnets, give them as gifts. These wire racks as well. I was looking for something kind of like this, more like a shower rack to go over the closet doors, but I can mount these right on the wall, kind of like so, above my desk, above Lily and I's desk, and put some stuff in there too. So I'm really liking these, and I'm going to paint them. The colors of my room, of course, are like a teal blue and a green. Those were 99 cents each. This was 99 cents or $1.50, and I can cut all these up. And I like the little ones, and I'm having a hard time here finding small sprigs. So even though it's used, it doesn't matter. I can reuse it. Of course, you can reuse everything. This is because my apartment has crappy shower heads, so I had to throw that in there. Got it at Ross for like 10 bucks. Okay, Goodwill. This is so cute. I like it just the way it is, and it actually has stickers that match this perfectly. I just kind of noticed that. Isn't that cool? So I might just like accent it a little, add some glitter and rhinestones and stickers to pop off there. But I have this little birdie exactly. That was 99 cents or $1.99? 99 cents. Perfect, fine. $1.99 for envelopes because, you know, we're always making cards but we don't have any envelopes. And then I actually have to get some stamps and send some stuff. That would be the next feat. Okay, I'm skipping around, but I got this at Ross. It has 2 sets of locks and keys, which is what I was, well, a lock and 4 keys each, gold and silver. These two are both in silver, and they're little sayings, truth, faith, things like that. And this was $2.99. I was happy with that price. They had a bunch more stuff like beads for a lot of stuff. There was a lot in there, a lot of product, but I wasn't like completely thrilled with it. And it was like $5.99, so I didn't get it. Because you know how I am about spending money. I love to find a deal. This was at Ross K & Company, and it was $4.99. I found one out of the box and everything, you know, but it was new. You could tell it was new at Goodwill for $7.99. So this is still of a deal. You just got to keep your eyes open. I got this one for Lily for her birthday, so of course now she can't watch this video. She just started her very first scrapbook, and then of course I found her this one. My Charming Life. It has stickers and coordinating paper. It has directions kind of, you know, your best friends, this hidden message, a story of kindness, you know, family. This is, of course, the Mendez family and a picture of us. So I think that's really cool. I'm going to give it to her for her birthday, which is in the middle of June, but still. Okay, I'm doing some room decorations today. This is all I'm going to show you, though. This is one of those, you know, keep the bugs off my food when I'm by the pool things. It's a food tent, is what they call it. I'm going to use it more like an umbrella and mount it in the corner of our scrapbook room. This is not quite the blue that I'm looking for, but it's going to work, and I think it's super cute, and it's multi-useful. So I'm not going to show you what's over there. Don't look, don't look, don't look. You saw part of it before. You saw those 3 things. So those are the colors I'm going with. That's my blue and green, and I'm adding in the pink, of course, for Lily. This is from the dollar store, and I think these were $3.99 or $4.99 each at Ross. Sorry for the glare, $4.99. So 15 bucks for that. I found one giant one. It was plastic, and it was blue and a lighter green with little birdies on it, and it was huge. Hard, clear plastic with little birds. And I got all 3 of those for the same price that one was. So this was $1. It can be used in our craft room for separating little parts, and especially when we're both working on something, we have different, you know, little cubbies, and then you put everything away, of course. This is part of my decoration for later. So you got to see 2 things, or 3 things, really. I got 5 of these little canisters because I got all kinds of little stuff to be putting away, and I needed some more jars. So this is what I got. We are starting geocaching, so it's kind of like treasure hunting, so I got this to do a little page. I love it. I had seen them before, and I thought, well, what would I use this for? These are going to be her little prizes. I picked those up at the dollar store as well. So, you know, you find a cache and she takes something out. She leaves something of hers. This will be what she's going to leave. This is her little signature mark. I found a couple of these. I don't know if I got blue and green or just blue. These are the little table scatter. I've seen these on other videos. That's what gave me the idea for charms or what have you. There's different shapes, of course, different sizes. But these have holes. You're not going to be able to see, especially with the glare, but they have holes in them like beads. So they'll work perfect. And then butterflies. These are so darn hard to find for me. I don't know why. And I love them. So I got a few packs of each. They only had a couple of different colors, but I got the green, orange, and yellow, and I can kind of mild those down. And then I got a few packs of these. I love the blue and green and brown right there. I love butterflies. Me and Lily are really into butterflies. We play a butterfly game when we go hiking, and we call out. Oh, and they're on these ones are on little pins. I guess they both are. Yep. We call out like butterfly orange. So then I made it a point to look at every single sprig that they had in the dollar store. This one actually had a cute little butterfly on it. I like the little flowers, of course, for my projects. And they don't have to be perfect because you're going to kind of alter them yourself as well, spruce them up. I love orchids. Orchids and lilies are my faves. This is really cute. I like them, like the size. Here's another sprig of butterflies. If you look too long at these, you'll realize they're actually very plain. But you can add some color with an alcohol marker, some glitter, you know, whatever you need to do to spruce them up. So you like them. Got some pink. These ones have some dimension. Look at all of that popping out of there. I really, really liked that. And then I got some purple, some lavender. There you go. I like these because they were two-toned. They had some yellow in them too. Don't know if you're going to be able to see that. These here, I wasn't sure about how big the bottom ones are, but these top ones used with one of those big bottom ones would be just perfect. And some of them had this kind of, you know, the bud that was still like this, and it would look perfect right inside one of these. But this by itself I just wasn't too crazy about. But anyway, I can chop those up and use them, and that's what's going to go in those glass jars. Again, I got 5 of those. This is the size, and these will still fit on my shelves. Here's another sprig of, sorry for the shakiness. Here's another sprig of butterflies. These ones are purple and yellow. The other ones, I'll hold them next to each other, were like orange and yellow. I like those colors. I always get drop cloths when I go to the dollar store because my little messy girl likes to play with Play-Doh and whatnot. Craft glue. I had got these before and Lily loved them. I got 3 of them. Here's the other table scatter, so I got 2 of those. And I know I got 3 of these, but I'm only finding 2 right now. All 3 of them are different. There's one with just glitter. There's one with kind of like itty bitty little, it might be this one, I'm not sure. Yep, it's like green hearts and purple flowers. The silver is stars, pink is hearts. These are just hexagons or octagons. These are flowers, and the blue is like a hexagon with a little center cut out, and then that's kind of a peachy orange. I'm sorry that it's focusing and glaring so much. And then these are just kind of chunkier glitter. And then I got the regular glitter that I had got Lily before. I got 2 rolls of this paper tape, kind of like first aid tape. I'm going to try to make my washi tape out of this. And I got some ribbon. This to me, I'm going to use in my project later today, probably these 3 colors. Oh, it's actually, what is it? It's green, pink, there's no purple. It's these 3 colors, green, pink, and blue. I'm going to use in my project later today. But I got a bunch of different colors that I thought that I would use. I got a red, 2 colors of the purple. I'll show you that first. It has a really nice silky shine. And then I got 2 pinks, a lighter and a darker. You can't, almost like that looks white next to the other pink. And then this teal and blue are my colors for my room. There's some more butterflies. Got a few packages of each of those. I started on stuff for Lily's birthday like I showed you. So here's her princess birthday girl. I'm going to have to, here's the other one of those. These are just the glitters. More than for the glitters, these tiny little bottles are actually glass bottles. And then they have a, can you see the hole right there in the plastic lid? And they stay on really tight. So you could use these in your projects too. And then I got some birthday girl ribbon. I'm going to use this. It says Princess Birthday. I'm going to use that on the cards. Okay, I'm going to go real quick towards the end. Dollar store. We are going to have a Millie theme. Millie from Team Umizoomi. I'm printing everything offline, but I needed to get these blowers. So I'll just take these off and put the Millie ones from online on there. Sorry, my nails are so horrible. She's turning whopping 6, so there you go. I knew if I didn't buy it today, then it'd be lost to me forever. Got these 2 over-the-door hooks for my closet doors in my scrap room. I'm going to be getting some, what are they called? The shower organizers for your, you know, you hang on your shower head for the doors. But I don't need to do it now. I'm going to paint them these colors. I'm glad I finally got these. These were like $3.50 each. Here's the duct tape, so I can do any kind of box I want with this blue duct tape. And then kind of a matching blue. These are the closest I could get to the colors I want. And this kind of limeish coordinating green. You like that? It's not so bright though. It's a little dull. We'll see what it looks like when we get it on something. I'm going to start with the filing cabinet today. And then of course the project. The project. And then this, I picked up this Fast Track and kind of looked at it. Mostly it's used for closets and whatnot, but I'm going to look through here and see what else they have so that I might use some of their stuff for my crafting. See here? I could do some major stuff as far as wall space with something like this. And I think it might be price compatible because I'm really into, you know, saving a buck. And it looks easy. So you put up the little track lining, you know, make sure you hit a stud, or you can go all the way across your wall and hit all the studs. And then you mount, you know, you get the little arms, and then you mount the wire shelves in the length that you need. So anyway, and they have all different kinds of coordinating stuff. You don't have to just have these big bulky shelves straight across. You can do like little shoes or boxes or whatever. Alrighty, almost hit 15 minutes. Here's a little recap without making you seasick. Oh, I didn't show you the most amazing part, which was I lost the little box. Alright, this is my greatest find from Goodwill. I have 2 minutes to show you. $6.99 for this office chair. $15 for the Epson printer, and I paid $1.99 for the ink that goes with it, brand new in the box. This is for Lily, $6.99. This is the one we're going to start with, probably over the back of my scrap room door. It might end up moving to her room, but I really like it. She's going to love it. So I already have one of these, a little Kodak one. I was going to go buy ink today, but looky there. I got a brand new one, to me anyway. We'll see how it works. Has a 2-day return policy from Goodwill. You can't take any of your stickers off the box, so I got to leave all those on. And they will give you your money back. You do not have to return it, you know, refund it for something in the store, or exchange it, I mean. And here's the little ink, by the way, that goes with it. Little Tri ink for $1.99. Oh, my camera and this glare is going to drive me crazy. But anyway, I'll let you know if it works, and have a great day. Bye. Show you the project later. Stay tuned. And where I put all this stuff away at. Bye.